Councilman John Miller asked the judge in his case to toss out the criminal case against him. His lawyers argue receiving gifts from Jamie Knoll while voting on funding Knoll's ambulance contracts does not violate Indiana's conflict of interest law. Wave News troubleshooter Mark Stevens says Miller argues that his votes did not get him any money.
It's a technical argument, but a simple one. Miller's attorneys say unless Miller voted on a contract that included some kind of payment to him from the contract, Miller has done nothing wrong.
Receiving benefits of value does not equate with deriving a profit from the contract.
John Miller's attorney, Bart Beto, says the special prosecutor's case against Miller should be thrown out. He says Miller would have needed to get something of value from the contract. He didn't.
Jamie Knoll was to receive no money, was not supposed to steal any money, and was not supposed to use it for personal expenses.
But Special Judge Larry Medlock questioned their relationship.
Jamie wants him on the council. Why does he want him on the council? And the other question is, if they're great friends and he's receiving all these benefits and everybody believes that he's in charge of this organization, why didn't your client file a disclosure statement, a conflict of interest?
He also asked why New Chapel's board hasn't been charged with a crime and brought up a key detail from Jamie Knoll's criminal case.
Essentially, the board didn't exist and Jamie Knoll did whatever he wanted.
Special Prosecutor Rick Hurdle says that's why this case exists.
Jamie Knoll was New Chapel. New Chapel was Jamie Knoll. That's perception, and that was basically reality.
He also pointed out, had Miller done one thing, he would not face a criminal trial.
We're not even here if he fills out one form. I have a conflict of interest. I work for New Chapel. I am good friends with Jamie Knoll. I am connected to New Chapel. There's no criminal charge then.
Medlock will rule on whether the case continues in the next few weeks. He also heard arguments about whether Miller's trial should be moved to a different county, possibly to Bloomington or Fort Wayne. Again, no decision on that today. Mark Stevens, Wave News.